This video here is all about something called Memopezil or Memopezil. It has to do with a promise saying that you're going to be able to reverse your Alzheimer's, reverse dementia, and that they have the cure. It's going to be this thing you should watch in this video that you receive from an ad somewhere, and that'll take you to a purchase page or whatever. But early on in these videos, they'll tell you it's a recipe or something. You might think, oh, wow, it's a recipe of something I have in my kitchen. And that's a hook to get you to watch the whole video. It's a lie. There is no recipe. So this Memopezil product, Memopezil, I'm not saying it's a scam, but I am saying it has scam marketing surrounding the whole thing. And that I couldn't find information about who makes the product, where it's made, where it's bottled, where's the company office, all that sort of stuff. And when I can't find key information like that, and I see a lot of Brazil being brought up everywhere that I go look up information about this. That to me does not say anything good. Let's just say that. So my advice, go see a doctor, but let's see the video that I found here. Did you see this same video? Let me know in the comments. By the way, really quick, hit the like down below. That can really tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility, and that other people might be able to find my video at the top of search results and save them from this scam.
This is the Neuro Honey Blend that's been helping Hollywood legends reverse memory loss and brain fog in just 21 days. Over 6.7 million Americans are currently taking prescription drugs like Aricept and Namenda, medications that cost thousands per year and come with devastating side effects. But now...
All right, so they have Savannah Guthrie in this. Do they not think that maybe we switch that out? The scammers haven't thought that maybe we need to change our video. They just decided to keep that. Do they receive news where they are? I mean, it's ridiculous. So this has Savannah Guthrie. She never actually said those words. This is a deep fake with AI generated audio, meaning that someone has manipulated her lip movement and her audio to make it sound and look like she talked about this, but she never did. Anyone famous you see here? No, they didn't actually talk about it. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorse this. It might come with a subscription of hundreds of dollars a month, and it might come with a money back guarantee that is not going to be honored. Big surprise. Scam, right? Not at all. Not a surprise at all.
But now this natural protocol is becoming a phenomenon on social media.
This Neuro Honey Blend is extraordinary. In just 2 weeks, I could remember my lines again without struggle. And by the end of 90 days, my mind was sharper than it had been in a decade. And no, these weren't those expensive brain drugs everyone talks about. As an actor who spent decades perfecting my craft, I would never risk my cognitive function on synthetic medications. It was all thanks to this ancient memory blend I take before breakfast and dinner. The transformation you're seeing on screen happened because of this natural protocol made with 2 simple ingredients that have been used for centuries. You can use it without worry. It's natural, free from side effects, and you don't have to give up your daily routine.
When I discovered I had a genetic predisposition to Alzheimer's in 2022, I knew I had to take action immediately. It wasn't just about my career. It was about being present for my kids and not putting my family through what so many others have suffered. I prevented cognitive decline completely with this Neuro Honey Blend before any symptoms even appeared. No prescription drugs, no invasive treatments, just this natural protocol.
Today we have Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft and co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, here to discuss this revolutionary memory restoration method that his foundation has been researching for years. Bill, can you explain how this ancient Himalayan blend is reversing decades of memory loss and eliminating brain fog in just 3 weeks?
What I'm going to reveal today will change everything you believe about memory loss, dementia, and Alzheimer's. You probably know me as the founder of Microsoft and co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Over the last 25 years, we have donated more than $100 billion to health, science, and education causes. We've worked in more than 140
All right, we don't need to look at anything else. The affiliate ID, by the way, AXCENDCO, in case that's important to anybody. And this is something Memopezil. If you're looking around for reviews, there's scam signs everywhere. I'm not calling the product a scam. I'm saying there's scam marketing everywhere, which is not a big surprise. And money back guarantees, you can't trust that if it's going through some sort of a website that is not official or maybe just has scam signs anywhere. Like, this is just, don't buy this. This is just something that's hilarious and absolutely insane. So my advice, where does it end up going? Okay, I see where it goes. It's going to claim something about the FDA, and it's going to we have great 5-star reviews. Doesn't have any positive reviews. This is a product that's not going to do anything for you at all in terms of reversing Alzheimer's, reversing dementia. Go see a doctor, like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. That's really big. I hope that you receive some help from my video. This is something that just is not going to be able to do amazing things. And this product is going to change names to another name very soon. And that's what people do who run these sorts of online offers. They know what they're doing, but whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, join button. Memopezil reviews. I hope that I helped you. My review is go see a doctor. Don't buy this. Thank you for watching.